Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video. It's going to be a full tutorial makeup and my morning routine. I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation, and it's in 36H, which is medium tan honey. I haven't used this for a while. I've been using the e.l.f. foundation, so I'm kind of excited to go back to using this one. So I'm going to use this for my foundation. And I've already prepped and primed with the e.l.f. Holy Grip Primer. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I really like this foundation. It's got Amazonian clay, which helps to stick to your skin. Makes it feel good. I went outside yesterday and got a little bit of sun on my nose, so hopefully that'll cover up and won't look beet red like Rudolph. Okay, just gonna blend that in a little bit. Remember what I said in my last videos, that your face is like a canvas. Just, there's no wrong way, there's no right way to do your makeup. You see a lot of videos out there about, oh, you should do this, you should do it this way, you should do it that way. That's not true. Not true at all. You can do your makeup however you want to do your makeup. There's no wrong way. For instance, I like to put foundation on my eyelids. I think it helps my eyeshadow to stay. I like to use contour as bronzers. There's no wrong way to do things. Make sure and get it good and blended in. I like to go over my lips when I do my foundation. I think that helps my lipstick to stay. Some people may disagree. Okay, I think that looks pretty blended in. Make sure you get it up in your hairline. That's why I got my hair held back, so that way. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna go in with my Dermablend just to conceal any spots. Mine is my scar. I like to just go in and cover it up a little bit more. This stuff is amazing. They show on the infomercial how it can cover up a tattoo. I think it's great. I've used this. This is my go-to for a long time. Got a few little brown spots over here that I like to cover up. Sunspots, age spots. A little bit more. Just kind of dabble a little bit. Stipple as you may. We're talking about our face being a canvas. Okay. Done with those two items. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, which is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Eyeliner. Yes, I've used this a lot in my videos. I like it. It's in the shade brown. It's just a good shade for me. Done with that. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadows, and I'm using the Revolution, and I think I'm going to go in with, let's see, I'm going to go in with this color right here, this color right here on my bottom lid, and then I'm going to go in with this color right here on my top lid. And it does not give the colors, it just gives the numbers. So I'm sorry about that. And I think these are very pigmented. I think these are great eyeshadows. They're pigmented, they're smooth. It's a Walmart brand. Or it's not a Walmart brand, but they're sold at Walmart. Revolution is the brand. But they're just, I think they're a really good eyeshadow. Give a little color up there, and then we're going to go in with the darker shade. I like to go a little below my eyelashes on the bottom, so we're going to go in with a little bit of color down there, and I'm going to go in with that darker shade. I love putting eyeshadow down there. I've got blue eyes, and I think it just makes them really pop. You can put any color down there. You don't even have to put any color at all. I love putting color down there. Okay, and then we're going to take that same color and we're going to go on the top. I'm just going to put a little right up here in the corners. That's pretty. It's kind of like a burnt orange. Make sure to get it blended in. Don't need very much, they're pretty pigmented. Blend, give a little blend so it's not so hard looking. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'm gonna go in with my, yeah, that looks really good. I'm gonna go in with my lipstick, which is the NYX Lingerie XXL. This is in the shade, let's see, it doesn't say, it just says, it doesn't say what the shade is, but this is, let me see if it shows it on the back. Oh, here we go. It just says Sizzlin'. So this is in the shade Sizzlin'. This is what it looks like. It's a very bright, hot pink. So we're gonna try this one out. I love how these go on. I think they go on amazing. I love their wands. Wow. That goes on really good. Easy color to put on. I mean, easy lipstick to put on, hard color to put on so you don't get it all over in your teeth. That's a bit tough to put on. It's a tricky color to put on because it goes all over. But it's a beautiful color. I love it. Okay. Now that I've got that on, I'm going to go in with my contour stick, which is the LYS. And I've used this before in my videos. I'm just going to go there. I'm going to do a swipe there, and there, and there. Oops, make sure I've got the right brush, angled brush. This just gives you a little bit of that sun-kissed look right up there on your forehead, and you can go in if you want with a little bit more. I like to have just a little bit more to give me some color. This is so smooth and creamy. This is probably the best contour I think I've used. It just blends so good. If you haven't gotten the LYS brand, go out and get some, and this is in the shade Motivate. This stuff is so good. They've got a couple different other shades. They've got blushes. Okay, I think that looks pretty good for the bronzers. Make sure I got a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my Milani. Just put a little bit of color there. Just a little blush that's left over. I'm not going to use a lot, but it's just left over from my blush brush. I'm just going to put just a little up on just the apples of my cheeks. And it's the Gorge Orange. Like I said, it was left over on my blush brush. I'm just going to put a little up there. This stuff is very pigmented. A little bit of this goes a long way. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is my Ride or Die. This is what it looks like. I guess it's upside down. There we go. That helps. You can read it now. And this just keeps my makeup on. Today is going to be a hot, hot day. It's been very hot and humid here. So I'm just going to go in with this. Just stipple it on. I like to put it everywhere, even on my nose. Especially in my T-zone area where I get oily. I love doing makeup. I love doing it on myself. I love doing it on other people. I love going from start to finish and seeing what the end result looks like. Okay. There's the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And I'll link the products that I used today. And until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.